The Strategies tab is located inside the Alert config window and can be accessed via right-click on any scanner. The Strategies tab allows easy retrieval of many pre-configured strategies that have been created by highly skilled experts. You can also find your own recent strategies in this tab. To view the existing strategies, click on the plus sign to open each folder. Once you have selected a strategy, the right-hand panel will update with a description of the selected scan and its specific settings. You will see the various alert and filter icons that define the particular strategy. To load the chosen strategy, click on the Load Settings button below. The flip option to the right will enable you to switch the scanner's settings from bullish to bearish and vice versa. To modify the loaded strategy, right-click on any of its icons. The right-click menu also gives you access to our help page, which provides detailed information about each alert and filter. Furthermore, you can choose to display the icon's data as a column in your scanner and utilize the Show Me feature. In addition to loading a variety of strategies, you can also create a new scanner from scratch. You will have to activate this option by clicking the Load Settings button below. Thereafter you can choose any of the available alerts and filters to create your own scan. The Strategies tab also lets you modify the alerts and filters of the My Liked symbol stream. This scanner displays data for all the stocks that have been manually selected via the heart icon on the chart. You can find it in the Stocks I Like channel in the channel bar. Once you have selected and/or configured your strategy, just hit the OK button. Now, the data populated will reflect the strategy that you have just configured and loaded.